Hey guys, hey YouTube. Just got my HP SS Plus 25 cal in this morning. Actually yesterday morning, haven't had time or chance to play with it. Just threw my Picatinny, old dovetail Picatinny adapter on here with my cheap red dot. Haven't got it really sighted in very well. Fired a few shots, getting the red dot on point. And those are my last 5 shots here. We're getting a little closer. So I'm just going to do a quick little accuracy test. I'm not a great shooter. This red dot isn't even sighted in just right. And my basement only has 9 to 10 yards. It's 10 yards all the way back from where I'm standing. But from the muzzle, it's probably closer to 9. But let's get into it. So I've got a magazine in there. I'm using FX airgun pellets, 25.4 grain, and I'm going at my little duct tape cross here. Yep, cheap little rigged up sight. I want to say my splatter targets for the range, but this will give you guys a little bit of an idea right out of the box. Barely have the sight down in. Now I think we're empty. Let's go check out what we did. Yep, in my cluttered flooding basement. I'll zoom out for y'all. See, my red dot is still low. One shot, a little high. But that's a tight group. Offhand from 9.5 yards. Fingernail. I'm satisfied with that. That's an accurate little pistol there. Alright, backyard airgun fun from the basement. We're done.